Hi friends, how are you doing today? And thanks for joining me for today's video. This video is especially for all those who are going to take the IELTS exam on 7th of August worldwide. The prime motive behind this video is to give you a platform where you come in contact with other students who are going to take the exam on the same date. At the same time, to give you few suggestions that you must keep in mind for the next few days to better prepare for your exam. You're watching YouTube channel IELTS Coaching and I'm your IELTS expert, Mr. Ramandeep. As you know, I always make these videos so that prior taking your exam, you find a platform where you can interact with other students. You can make use of the comment section of this video. There you can mention your name, city you are from, and the place or the venue where you are going to take your IELTS exam. At the same time, you may mention that whether it is going to be a GT or an academic test. Well, by sharing this information, you may find many other students who are going to take the exam at same location, and you may find partners for your practice, especially if I talk about speaking. For the next few days, keep on practicing more and more for your speaking exam if it is not over yet. I highly recommend to the students that do not simply try to memorize the answers of different cue cards, even if you have purchased my Speaking Booster or any other book for the practice. You just need to actually understand what you can talk about in that cue card or what can be the plot or a story for the cue card. Rest you have to practice, and for practice also, do not just try to recite, you have to speak loud. Try to record yourself, and the more you will speak loud, better it would be for you to score high in the IELTS speaking exam. For the reading, my recommendation is that you must try to attempt at least 1 to 2 complete IELTS reading tests, and that too from Cambridge study material, not anything else. And for your comfort, here is the link of my playlist of the reading videos. If you want to have a better understanding of the reading, or if you wish to learn the tips and tricks that you must need related to each and every question type. When it comes to writing, go through the sample answers of the level that you actually targeting. For example, if I talk about Band 7 seekers, you must read essays that are of the level Band 7, and Band 6 seekers should rather read the books where they can find the essays of that level. And for these two type of students, I recommend to check out my IELTS Academic Writing Booster and IELTS GT Writing Booster. Since there are not too many days to go, I recommend that do not waste your time, practice more and more. And the most important thing that is related to listening, do not underestimate the value of listening. Many students who are able to score good, they usually ignore this aspect. But I want you to attempt at least 2 to 4 listening tests every day. It would ensure that you comfortably score beyond 7 in the listening, and it would improve your overall score in the IELTS. Must get familiar most common or frequently repeated IELTS listening words to ensure that you do not commit any spelling mistakes. That's pretty much all from my side, dear friends, and I hope you will work out on all these things for the next few days. So before I say you goodbye, it's my humble request to all of you, if you already had your speaking exam, please share your cue card with us. It would help other students to prepare better for the IELTS speaking. And I hope to see all of you getting desired scores on the 20th of August when the result will be declared of the 7th August exam. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye.